my sister, and she's gonna be in the background being annoying. It's the first time doing a YouTube video. We're not trying to be famous, we're just haters. We don't care about y'all. This video is to show you why you should not do, because this is a makeup. What's the opposite of makeup tutorial? Have you seen those videos that show the do's and don'ts
of makeup?
Yeah, this is a don't video. So either way, it's either. Where's the camera? Oh, we speak Spanish, by the way. We're Latinas. You're probably like, girl, that don't match. I didn't ask you. Now we're gonna blend our foundation, and you know, you're probably right. But I really don't care. You know, well, guys, I forgot that I usually do my brows first. Like I said, this is a don't.
So don't do anything that he's doing.
Yeah, ustedes nomás ríanse. No se rían porque eso es mean. If y'all see a spot that is not blended, just be quiet, don't tell me. Because I probably know I missed it, and I just did it on purpose because I like to be a rebel sometimes. Just don't judge me, because I won't judge y'all. Okay? Well, I probably will. Since I forgot to do my brows first, we're not gonna set our foundation just yet. We're gonna do our brows first. And for this, I can do it on, I cannot do it on camera because, okay, I'm back.
And if you, eyebrows?
Or try to.
Oh, baby, will you talk like that?
You make a woman go, man.
I don't know.
I'm gonna use a Suba color. Name is Got Milk.
Blend, blend, blend. And if you don't blend, we can't be your friends.
Yeah, what she said. I just put the 2 tapes on the sides of my face because honestly it makes it easier and faster to do my makeup. I don't even know what type of makeup I want to do right now.
Okay. We're just gonna still pick out 3 colors, and it doesn't matter if so you pick your 2 palettes, and then we're gonna pick 3 colors, and whatever colors you want to pick from each palette you can pick.
So I'm gonna use the Blue Blood palette because it's my favorite Jeffree Star palette because it's blue and my favorite color is blue. I know y'all probably like, no se importa, pero pues a mí también me importa, igual les voy a decir que es mi favorita. And we're gonna use that Bloodlust palette because it's purple and I love purple. Okay, so we're done applying Celebrity Skin, and if y'all don't see it, go to the eye doctor, porque si me lo puse, si está aquí, yo me lo puse con esta brocha. Let me see, we're using right now, I'm cold. Lo vamos a poner aquí. We can do it. Remember, this is not a makeup tutorial, this is a don't of makeup. Next color we're going to use is Vivid Mood. We are doing this makeup challenge that my sister gave me to do. No nos damos por vencido porque la que es perra y puede. Nosotros somos perrísimas, o tenemos que salir de estas, amigas. Podemos hacerlo, así que no se agüiten. Entonces, síganle y pues en la vida todo se puede y pues mejor le hubiera dicho que no a mi hermana porque esto está muy complicado. Whatever, just keep trying. Is we're gonna apply Beauty Sleep on our lids. Okay, if you're the type of person who goes onto people's pages and videos and say, oh my god, that's ugly, you can move on, because we know concealer is to conceal our imperfections and everything that you want to bring out. Terremoto. Nah, just kidding. It's not terremoto, it's just my sister probably eating Cheetos in the background. Oh my god, that's a lot of concealer. Remember what I said about concealer being for imperfections? Yeah, se cayó. Y pues se patateó.
Were you there in the scene?
No, I was in the supermarket. Estaba comprando frijoles.
Oh.
Yes. No, because I had booked a flight to the Bahamas. So, because I wanted to eat some fried chicken over there. They say the fried chicken over there is good. 3 powders sometimes to set my face because that adds just more dimension to your face. Using different shades of powder, or that's what I think. I don't know. I'm not a scientist.
Would you ever do clown makeup?
Clown?
Yes.
What is this? You know, life is not perfect. Neither are we. So let's get over it and move on. That's my motto in life. You know, because if I start crying is not gonna solve anything. You know, I always tell people, let's say you break a arm, right? And you cry. You cry and cry and cry. Let's say you cry for 2 hours. After you're done crying, is that arm gonna be fixed? No. So what does that mean? Crying doesn't solve anything. O mi tía también puede arreglar huesos, ¿eh? Si usted necesita, mi tía se los puede arreglar. Nomás que sí, duele mucho. Yo a veces no entiendo cómo es que ella le hace. Pero ella, ay, Dios mío. Like, that if your brain is misplaced, she can do anything about it. Because, believe me, I asked already. She said, no, mijo, you're already done. Now we're gonna use our last shade of Cullinan. Oh wait, that's too much.
Hablando sola. I hope you like my singing, guys, because I love my singing.
Yeah, we love it. Right, guys, we love it. This is actually not that terrible. I mean, it is bad, but if you close your eyes and squeeze them. Now we're gonna contour with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that we're done contouring, now we're gonna do highlight. Let's apply a highlighter. You just look at this.
Oh yes, mama, yes.
Daughter. Hello guys, I just put on my lashes on camera because we want to put them off camera. So to complete the mermaid look, we're gonna do our lips. Like we're sick, but we're not sick because we're a mermaid. Now we're gonna smudge it with a brush so we can create that. Oh my god, alguien te pegó en la cara y tú le dices, no, es que soy una mermaid. Se dice como mermaid y que dicen, oh my god, alguien te pegó y tú nomás hiciste tu maquillaje así normal. Les digo porque tengo una amiga que se hace su maquillaje y parece como que le pegaron, pero no le pegaron. Y así le digo.
¿Quién es esa amiga?
So we're makeup gurus, and we teach you what not to do when you're doing your makeup. Over your lips with your highlighter.
Now you're looking real good for your bathroom.
I think we are done with this look. We did the color number challenge, whatever thing it is, and this is what it came out. My sister says it's a mermaid. So now we're gonna set our face. Watching. Okay, hold on. First is my outro. So that was all. I hope y'all loved this makeup. If y'all didn't, well, I don't care.